All right, here we go. Roll the dice warm up. So I have 2 dice sitting on my floor. Normally we would read the dice from the top, but for your sake, so that you can see the number that we're doing, you are going to view the front side of them. We are going to roll the dice 5 times. Each time we roll it, we'll add up the 2 numbers, and depending on what we roll, we'll determine what we're doing. And as you can see, there is the list of activities that we could potentially do. So let's get going. So 6 and 2, which is 8. And 8 is 40 mountain climbers. So everybody do 40. That's 20 on each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. All right, 1 down, 4 to go. 3. And a 6, that's a 9. A 9 is 40 skaters each side, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18. Halfway, good job. Ten more. All right, good work. 4 and a 3. So 7 is 20 squats. Keep your weight on your heels. Squat all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, that's 3. This is a 3 and a 3, which is a 6. 6 is 10 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And last one. You're doing awesome. And a 6, which is 8 again, which is mountain climbers to finish it off, 40 of them. Halfway. All right. I am feeling warmed up to get going on the rest of the day's activity. So now you're going to go work on some sport-specific skills based on the unit we're doing. Then, with whatever time you have left, you're choosing an activity that you like to do for the remainder of class. So if you have 60 minutes left, you got to go do something for 60 minutes. If you have 20 minutes left of class after practicing those skills, you do 20 minutes. And don't forget, you got to turn in and submit the Google form at the end of the task list. Have a great day. Enjoy it.